This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download from GitHub. So I'm right here on GitHub. I'm just on the main Explore page right here. This is my GitHub. I'm signed in. So we're just going to click on something random here, and I'll show you how to actually download it. So what we've got here, we've got this Appium. So I don't actually know what this is. It says it's a cross-platform automation framework for all kinds of apps. So let's click on that one. It's popular on GitHub right now. It has over 21,000 stars. Yep, so there's a lot of files here. We can get more information about what this project actually is. But in general, GitHub you can download, with some exceptions, you can download anything. So people are sharing things freely. They're sharing different projects, different apps, and different code on here freely as repositories. You can do the same as well, but you can also have yours set to private where people can't actually download them. So again, we are on this Appium. And in order to download, we just need to click on this green button right here. It says code with a little drop down. Now, there's a few different ways of doing this. So I'll show you the most straightforward way is actually just by zip. So we can literally just download a zip file of all of the code right here. But you can also do the HTTPS method right here. And so that's actually a link essentially to this project. You can do it through SSH if you're familiar with command line tools, and you can do that within VS Code or wherever you are. GitHub CLI as well, you can do it through there and you can get the repo that way. But my preferred method and the easiest way, especially if you're not that conversant with command lines and stuff, is just literally download the zip. So we can click on download zip, and this is the same on nearly every single repository. I'm on a Mac right here, so you see the icon just went flying up in the right hand corner, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. So that will go to the main downloads folder depending on what platform, what browser you're on. I'm on Google Chrome, and it goes straight to the main downloads folder. So literally you will open up that zip from there, and you'll have this exact all of this code right here, and it'll be laid out in the file structure that we see here. So you can do this for anything on GitHub. I'll show you something actually. It's one of my own random projects from a while ago. I'm not sure what I did with this one. I think it was the basis of my Invest Platforms site. But either way, this was just a random project. So in the same way, you would come to the project, you would click on code, the drop down, and you can get the zip directly from here, and all of the previous methods like SSH and stuff I showed you earlier. So again, you can do this, you can explore around, you can look at the marketplace, and if you find something, if you happen to come across something that you like on GitHub, this is the method that you do. If you needed, say, a new version of Homebrew, you could do the same right here. So hopefully you found this video on how to download from GitHub useful. If you found it useful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.